Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to edit HTML in the Andiamo Places app. So basically, so this page is the home screen, and this is HTML. You can edit. The way you do that is you click on Edit and Edit Home Screen. And this is the HTML editor. Now, let's not change this page. I just wanted to show you that that's what this is. Let's go back. I created a couple of sample HTML pages. So these are all the links that are available. So it's text with a link to something. So this is the place info. This is the place more info. So you can have more detailed information about a place. Sometimes you have to hit this X over here. This is the place menu. So you can do things with the menu, with the place. Section is a section of HTML that you create and then you can call from anywhere. Schedule takes you to the schedule that's specified. There's more, as you know, there's more than one schedule that you can use. The itinerary is basically a one-page version of the schedule that with links that you can click, and this is HTML as well. A map. So this is a map of the Japanese restaurants. Street view. So this is the street view of a place that I had selected. Let's see, yeah, and it's I believe it's a restaurant. And well, I won't click on guide, but guide actually takes you to another. I'll do that one last. So then URL. I just did a quick URL to Google. Image. You can see an image. Video. And just to show you that it works. All right, in this video we're going to go into how to search and download a guide. So you notice we have the green audio. And it's a little small, but you can make it bigger. All right, so these are all the links that are possible, and you can embed these links in your HTML document. Now let's go back and look at the HTML content. So you can have links and content. These are embedded content, so you can have normal text, bold, italic, bullet, items, numbered list, H1, H3. Now you can also create other H headings. It's just that these are automatic, or they're easy to get to. The other ones you have to type in some HTML. Center text, strike through text, a map, an image. Here's a map with a list. So basically it gives you, there's this is the Japanese restaurants and it gives you the names. And then we have the audio and the video. All right, in this video we're going to go into how to search and... So these are elements, HTML content. And you don't even have to think of it as HTML. It is HTML, but you shouldn't have to, you don't need to know HTML to use these. So this gives you a quick overview of the types of HTML. And the other thing I should have shown you, I'll go back, is from here we can edit, and here we go. Now we're editing. So you see this is where the bold, so for normal you just type in, you just start typing. For bold, this is for italic, for bullet list, numbered list, H1, H3, these are easy to get to. The other H's are possible as well. This is for the links, the next one, and the plus is for the embedded content, which is what this is showing. So let's quickly look at, let's put it down here. We're going to go here and we're going to embed, let's say we're going to center text. And we're going to say center. All right, and there you see you have center text. And then let's do something more interesting. well, let's see, video. So for video and audio, you actually have to type in the URL. So which means you need a place that has it. I need a server where it's stored. Copy. And there you see, that's the HTML, the video. And the same thing with audio, similar. Let's go see if there's any more things that are worth. Image, that's a good image. So you select an image. Now you can save images, and you'll have to go and review the video on how to do that. But you'll have one or more. Here we only have one, and we just now you can search Flickr for new ones, or you can look at the saved ones. Saved ones are the ones that you've either took a photo yourself, or you had a file on your mobile device and you saved it off, so you have it. Okay, we're going to use that one, and there you have the image. Let's see if there's any other interesting ones. Let's look at the map with places list, how to create that. We're going to do, so you have a choice here. You can select one or more places, one or more groups, or one or more categories. Let's do the categories, and we're going to show you how I did the other one. We're going to pick restaurants, Japanese restaurants. Click on that, and there you have the map with the list. All right, so let's look at the links. So links, similarly, you can have place info. You select the place, and sometimes you have to scroll down. Oh, there you go. You have to scroll down to see it. So there's the place info, and we're going to just do another line. Place more info, similar. Place menu is similar. Section. Okay, so section, select a section. So remember, sections are snippets of HTML. Think of them so the paradigm again is a book with chapters and sections. So these are chapters, areas, walks, full day. They're just basically, think of it also as a way to categorize information. You can think of them as folders, but really it's, if you use the book semaphore, probably makes most sense. So let's pick, let's see, 2-day tour. All right, and again we have to scroll to see it. Okay, 2-day tour, and then more links. Let's see, oops. All right, let's see, we did section. Let's do schedule. Select the schedule. So main is by default, main is always there, but we can select 2-day tour. So notice it auto-populates the text, but the link there, but you can change that to whatever you want. And let's see, 2-day tour. And then we can do, let's see. All right, so the itinerary is going to be similar. The map, you can do the map. Okay, guide, you basically select the guide from here. Now we're not gonna, we won't do that. And then, oops, this one, guide. And then you have video, audio, and URL. Again, you just have to, on these, you have to cut and paste your own link to those places. We don't currently, the only thing we store in Andiamo Places app or server are the images. Now, maybe in the future we'll store video and audio, but those are probably more advanced, and for people that want to create their own guides and have access to those media, you just need to store them on a server and on a web server and be able to get the URL for them and store them. So that, let's see, that pretty much covers HTML. Now, maybe let's look at this one just to finish off. So as I mentioned before, this the home screen is HTML. You can modify this completely. You can make it blank or completely change it. So here is the one for this guide. We've selected a few things. This is a link to Wikipedia through a URL. These are map links. These are also map links, but they're filtered differently. It's a must-see. So this is, well, let me go there again. Must-see. Here's where you can see what's going on. See, it's only must-see. So when you go and create the map link, you say, I only want to see the only must-see. And that's how it creates this map here. So this one's a good one. Let's see if there's... These are all the must-see that have not been visited yet. And again, it's created by selecting only must-see, but also only not visited. So the combination of those two. Now these are links to the schedule. And these are links to sections, which are HTML snippets. So we created these ahead of time, and then we can link to them through a section link. So you can see that's powerful, and you can essentially create a whole book. You can create a book with chapters and sections and pages and so forth. All right, these are also maps of map links of basically using filters. This one is filtered by category, and the category that we chose is Japanese restaurants, Japanese. So that's how that works. And then we have some links to videos.
Here's a fun history fact for you. Florence.
All right, I think that pretty much covers HTML editing for today. Thanks.